Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to run a cell on your PAT's S500. First, we're just going to turn on your terminal. Wait for it to boot up. Once your terminal boots up, you'll see this screen. Then we're just going to type in the amount. We'll do 1 cent. Press enter. Then we'll swipe our card. Okay. This one is prompting me to sign, so we're just going to go ahead and sign. Accept. Press any key. And it prints out the customer's receipt. Now, we're going to go ahead and void out the cell that we just made. Click on Functions key. Scroll down. Void 3. Enter your password, which is going to be today's date. Press enter. Enter your transaction number. You can find that on the receipt. Once you see your transaction, you're just going to click enter to confirm it. Then it will print the receipt. Press enter for the customer receipt. And that is how you void out the cell. Now I'm going to show you how to clear the batch on the terminal. We'll click the functions key. Hit the 2 for batch. Just click the 1 for batch close. Then it will print out your report, and you have now cleared it. Okay, we just completed running the cell, voiding out that cell, and also closing the batch on the PAT's S500 terminal. I just want to say thank you for watching that. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us from the information listed below. Thank you.